I called Bill Gates earlier.
Huh?
And he said that he's dropping so much money, it's actually going to manipulate the. Oh, okay. He talks with Elon Musk.
I became a billionaire only thanks to DOMOOORE. He is best guy ever, and subscribe to his channel.
Fun fact about Elon Musk: I'm richer than him.
Yeah, that's pretty true. That's true, and yeah, that's true.
It's not the just for everyone that's
Yes, shirts.
the model.
Order filled.
Okay, I added another contract, so you're genius. I believe in your skill in 100%. From market to trader, day number 67. Trading with my subscriber, day number 7. And trading with Riley, day number 9.
What the fuck is going on?
Yes, I come back to Riley. Alright, dude, what the fuck is going on over here? First and first, about Riley, why I come back to him. Because he is fucking nice guy, but no, I just still have his subscription. Until September 22, I guess. And yes, I really like Riley, to be honest. And at some point, I was like, wait, I can trade with Riley in the one account, and I can trade with my subscriber in the another account. So yes, now I am fucking Signal, man. 2 signals, bro, 2 signals, 2 accounts, and 0 my logic. Actually, my logic and my strategy I'm training in the practice account. Yes, guys, I know it's fucking insane. It's unbelievable, and it's like, bruh, the brain just crashing out. But anyway, for the new people it will be absolutely fucking insane. I hope you will like this video. I know it's still not edited video because I have a lot of video to show you, and plus live trading for a lot of you guys, you like this shit. And plus about Riley, I spoke with him. I told him my real opinion about the trades, like why you are sometimes telling the really bullshit trades, and he said I'm not doing this any longer. And literally like 2 or 3 days in a row we wasn't trading. I was like, oh, for real, now we are looking for a perfect setups. For those who didn't know, Riley has evaluation accounts, TPT accounts, etc, etc. And about TPT, it's take profit trader prop firm, and it's only one prop firm with daily payouts. You did today profit, you can withdraw your money. You did profit in the next day, you can withdraw your money again. I guess it's only one prop firm, I'm not sure. And yes, I am affiliate with them, I know. With my code MORE, you can get 40% discount and you can help my channel. But
you don't have to, only if you wanted to.
It will be best of the best support because I really need fucking money and I'm really trying hard, like in 100%. If you wanna help me, it will be best help for you because you will use prop firms anyway. And plus, disclaimer, guys, I don't want you to lose your money. I lost 20 accounts and then I was like, oh, maybe I should practice in the demo a little bit more. So before you will go to your prop firms, please become a profitable trader at least in the demo account, alright? Don't waste your time, don't waste your money, please, I'm begging you. Of course I would like to grab all money from you and I can tell you like, bro, just go and subscribe with my fucking affiliate code. But no, it's not working like this. Plus, with take profit trader, if you know what you're doing, you will be fucking king. But if you're not profitable trader, the everyday payouts means nothing for you, like literally 0, because you can't even fucking pass the account, right? It doesn't make sense. So please become a profitable trader in the demo account. But if you're already a profitable trader, the link in the description. Thank you for your time. Really long entry of this video, but I really love all of you guys. And plus, it's a little bit boring video, like almost old video. We was looking for a setup, but at the end of the video, it will be a little bit more interesting. So if you would like to see the most interesting parts of this video, just scroll a little bit, maybe on the 30-40 minutes plus minus. Enjoy your video.
Might end up just wanting to manipulate down that 10 points. That's such a sad distance to have. 6 points, I mean. Can you show us your ATM settings for gold? It is on the course. On the course, I use the same settings. So should see it try and manipulate lower first towards London low. But if it doesn't, then it could be a target later on. But we should see it hit this level first, realistically. But the only moves today are going to be a down-up scenario. Either we straight up to equal highs on gap, I'm going to get a gap, or towards London low. So we should see market play off that for a bit. And end up shorting.
He took short, no? Okay.
So taking this level now. So here we should see some manipulation back up.
Wait a minute.
Only the continuation model? Yeah, only the continuation model on gold. Nice. We should see the move realistically happen very, very shortly. We're trying. We are trying.
Okay, let's see what we got. First of all, I should mark some drawn liquidity. We sweep this liquidity already. This liquidity. There is nothing that we wanna go. Maybe this target right there.
We should see this one to play. Realistically, after this 5 minute, I don't know if this first 5 minute candle is going to be it. It's usually the next 5 minute price action. We'll sort of get that set up. Well, we should definitely not be looking for shorts.
Yeah, there is
At
nothing
least in my recommendation.
that we can target
I
from
think just taking London low
What
just
the fuck?
as a whole.
Fuck your magnet, bitch. Okay, we don't need this. Alright. Boom.
Yeah, we're in NQZ5 for now. New contract switch for the next 3 months.
In Q Z5.
Well,
Okay.
oh, I'm on the wrong time frame. Just seeing this manipulate down is pretty good.
Only one target. What
That's a
the
nice little
fuck?
tap into that hourly.
Okay,
Also have a
let's see.
15-minute. Could bounce off that. Could bounce off a lot of things. Could do a lot of things.
Yeah, it's
We
good,
also
it's
have this
good.
hourly down here as well.
Damn.
Price wants to reach that.
Do we have some signals right now from the other guy? From the Devlin? Nope, no signals from the Devlin.
I reckon it's probably going to trade to that new deepening gap, right? Hopefully, up on it.
What do we have here? Oh shit. Alright,
Do
so
you like that new deepening gap or what? On the sell side? Yeah.
So new day or new week? New day.
It's a new day.
and QZ5, right?
It could probably get it. We do have 15-minute equal highs up above. I think that's going to throw a lot of people off, including myself.
Including myself.
Just hit him.
I hate equal highs and equalize. Stop targeting him.
It's more so like manipulation.
Manipulation
See what's
distribution.
indicated.
Okay. Do you wanna open short?
You messes it up.
What about time
You
frame,
probably
brother?
snag 10 off that if it does give it.
Where is the? Okay, here.
Let's see if it fights it though. It might want to. It's gonna be a good eval. No, I didn't quite get it. It'll probably want to display slower.
So we want a short. We didn't sweep liquidity. Yeah, it's continuation model, no? Or he already did.
Why didn't you open short? I'm not forcing you to trade it.
Interesting. But this guy did. Stronger delivery. Hmm. Let me ask this shit.
Strong reversal. Still got a little bit down to go on it though. We'll see it try and hit this 15, that'd be W.
Yo, is that the same indicator that I should have made?
Yeah.
Not the other one that you gave me.
Same one.
A bit different.
Actually?
I think you've turned off a couple of things from it, yeah?
Yeah, I did. We should see this want to flush a little bit lower though, I'll be honest.
Yeah, it doesn't show entry for some reason. It didn't pick up those as entries.
It's supposed to hit this 15 low key. But it ain't doing it though. Oh no, there you go.
Eight points. FG indicator. Fractal.
Really moving though, eh? Just hit that alley.
fuck is other? What the fuck is other? Other fair value gap, that's fucking bullshit. Other fair value gap. How the Yes, just dropping and dropping, what the fuck? Interesting. Content points he took.
No, I'm trading AM. I'm saving my my breath for tomorrow and Thursday. I'm not even gonna waste my time with this day.
Interesting.
I'm still sat here though, documenting, gathering screen time. It's very important. And live testing the indicator, of course, as well. Which so far, probably personally, this one followed the rules. I probably personally wouldn't have entered that. I would have entered it if it closed here though. But this would have given me a very, very poor outcome. Why tomorrow and after tomorrow good days, but today's not? Today is pre-FOMC. Pre-FOMC news.
Mm-hmm.
The day before FOMC, which is usually really, really bad price action.
Holy Jesus. That's a lot of news. Okay. Got it.
Bad boy indicator. I think when it works, like when I know it works, I've tested it and it's very, very accurate. I used it today in gold actually.
On gold.
Seeing how this 945 opens up, this could be interesting. Like, we do have this opening range low. I actually didn't realize I had it on today. How'd it go with gold? It absolutely cooked on gold. Made $5. US, which is really good. It literally called out the move and like immediately. Where's the time? 5, 3. A 945 volume kicking in.
Indicators.
Wait.
What about
I would let it
indicators?
load and show you, but I just want to look at this. It's good displacement. Let's see if this gets protected by a fair value gap.
Hmm. Okay, we still break the zone, right? Wow. What the fuck?
It's like 945 is going to leave a gap.
Same.
I think it really wants to displace. All right, so we've left a 1 minute. Seeing how it reacts on this is going to be important as well. Can I show you the gold entry? Yes. Give me a sec, just because could miss a move.
Sorry. That's a little bit harder to understand what's going on in the two accounts.
The
Going
daily
up.
gap below us, yeah, it's like right there. There's a ways from. We're away from it, pretty far. In terms of context, the 5 is all I really got.
Why? Here we have only 1 minute. Like, what the fuck? Anyway.
There's hella news right now too.
Ah, we closed below. God damn.
All right, we got news fucking around. We'll go back to here. All right, so showing you the thing on today. Where was it? I'll let that shit load real quick. There. So this is at 210. It was the first presented one the indicator actually presented. And then could have just ran like a 2 or 4. It also called out a 1 minute short, then a 1 minute long. The short would have failed, the long would have won. So not bad in terms of indicator, but it goes really well. It was London. I think the swing low is actually pretty good. The way we just moved all of Asia, we probably could make it down to here.
What a bullshit price action, not gonna lie. So we're trying to reverse, I guess. It will be IFG.
Why don't they give it to you? Probably don't know what to specifically to make sure it's like accurate. All right. Short positions look very, very good here, I'll be honest. But
we could reverse everything here and create inverse fair value gap.
the thing that we're looking at is we could potentially have that 1 minute inversion.
Yes.
But I will only use the inversion as to long. I think I would more want to see a short position to the downside here.
Okay.
So if we can close, this could be a good eval trade. Oh, for sake. It's absolutely demolished. The one setup that I would actually be willing to take, we get like a 15-point drop. That is absolutely devastating. My bad, guys.
That's insane.
Well, nice. Nice. The one time I want shorts, I just get absolutely melted by a fucking candle anyways. That's annoying.
That's insane.
The reason why the shorts look good to me there was because we did have more daily lows and we just were respecting this gap a
That's
lot.
fucking insane.
The IFEG would not be clean, essentially. So me looking at it like from that perspective, the IFEG wouldn't have looked clean. It was not time to go long anyway. We just weren't ready. And that's why, you know, shorts look good because we weren't ready for longs. We had lower target. And by the looks of it, it wants to create a 15-minute fair value gap with 930. So 945 isn't going to close that distance if it wants to leave a gap. It's going to displace lower, most likely taking open range low or continuing through it. And then 10 a.m. may come back up here, or 10 to 10:15 may. And by that time, it's bang. But yeah, 3 shorts called out by this one. Preferably out of everything, this one would have looked the best or been the best. I don't think I would have taken this one or this one. And it was going to call out this one until it displaced too far, which the indicator does actually calculate the distance of closure as well, and it equates that into its data. So that's why it doesn't say short day, even though it follows a model. So give me. We did end up making
Equal height. Equal lows.
Relatively equal lows with Asia. So I do think it's more of one of those things where it's like, okay, you know what I mean? Still got downside potential. We've got downside potential until 10 a.m. And we want to see 10 a.m. take this low anyway. So I'm saying it's still downside potential. So the expectation here is we're going to close bearish. We're more than likely probably going to take out the 6 a.m. low once we do that in 5 minutes. We either find a reversal from that point, which means this right now, this low right here is pretty much equal lows with Asia. And it also is the 6 a.m. low if it remains before 10 a.m. So that would be...
Delvin said that we want to go lower
a nice
too.
short target. I don't think you would want to look for longs until it takes that level.
Yeah. Delvin said absolutely the same thing. It's cool. It's cool. They are thinking at the same way. That's cool.
And for a first target, if we were to go long, that's a great, beautiful target. So that is a fair value gap continuation with IFEG. So it's actually a good short. The thing I'd say with mostly this one would be like your stop loss would be pretty ridiculously high. You could probably wait for manipulation or to try and get a better entry, so it looks something like like this.
Yeah, I don't
where
wanna open
20
my
points
short
get
here.
close, or at least 15 points get close.
Could be manipulation
But there it is. It did signal.
after this candle.
Have I gathered data on literally just signal botting the indicator? Yes. It's not that profitable. It's still pretty good though. Me doing it's about a 63%. When hidden markets did it, it's still pretty good as well.
Was a good short time.
That's really good. 60% is 60% is. Will FOMC news be explosive on NQ? Nah, not really. It'll probably be flat.
2 days in a row we just chilling. And boom. Yeah, that was nice short.
When I should decide to take a 1 minute continuation at 30 is usually the better performing, but in a small or distance to liquidity, 30-second usually prevails.
Right, we sweep liquidity, now we wanna go up, right? Now it could be potential reversal.
Caught 10 on that? That's crazy. W move.
If I was targeting 10 points, might be, but I'm
Caught 10 as well,
targeting
just
20.
stacking evals. Stacking evals is good though. Because then you can wait for days like FOMC or Thursdays. I've run out of evals to stack. I don't think shorts are done, by the way. How many evals? Oh, I don't even know. Top of my head. By the way, like I said before, I don't think shorts are over. You'd have to watch out to see if this 10 a.m. manipulates higher. If it can push through underneath that low, you'd be juiced. You'd be good.
Just. Still going short. It's very interesting when you just watching on all that stuff and you understanding where we are starting to reverse.
No.
We took already lows and let's see what we got.
Realistic to start searching for longs now? Yeah, you could probably get it. It's that only issue is that 6 a.m. low, which I think price really wants. Wouldn't hurt to take some buy side. What am I looking for right now? Probably to manipulate a little higher, but overall 6 and low.
Mm-hmm. Interesting. So it's still not reversal. Interesting. What about 6 a.m. lows?
So now that it's taken that, if it can get under here, that'd be a good short. Probably have to take it on a push through though, just because market might manipulate again.
But in a trade vote. Anyway.
Something like this.
He didn't take the sell right now. Holy shit. What I'm doing, I'm not forcing the trades. Who knows? Who knows what I'm doing? Who knows? It's a badass candle.
But all my downside targets are messed up from the contract prices. Have you rolled over your contracts already? The target price would be 523. Set to auto roll? Yeah, nice. You got 3 10 points today. Guess you better not push your luck any further. That's smart. Waiting for manipulation. Nice. I'm just sitting here for screen time. I'm not taking a trade on anything today. Tomorrow's AM finna be lit. Of course, bro. Of course. You already know it's gonna be.
Consolidation, so there is nothing to target right now.
This is the worst shorts ever. Oh man, I'd be so mad if I was in that. Monday, Tuesday's been slow every week on NAS. You find they're different. They move different. So
We started to reverse.
different outside factors. It is going sideways now. It is definitely going sideways. Probably wants this buy side of anything.
I don't even know how I'm not taking the trades. I'm completely fine with it. Like, I'm just chilling. No trades, no problems.
That's some golden price action right there. How's your FOMC win rate so good? I know the price action on that day is just really good. it just moves really well. It doesn't move choppy. It gives good volume because it's got obviously good volume in it. I mean, overall, it's just great.
I wanna force some trades.
Yeah, just one and done.
That was good. Inverse for value gap. Still waiting.
I think longs are actually pretty good here. I don't think we'll come back to that 6 a.m. for a while. You'd hope this is now, but with this buy side, it could come back for right there. Or it could just go straight for this gap, and that's what I'm thinking. If it wants to go there,
Yeah, it's very risky trade if we are in the gap, so it could reverse the gap and it could bounce from the gap, so there is no way that you should
I mean,
take
if this
this.
closes bullish, this would trade out of this level.
Yeah. But nope.
And then you could get 10. That actually sucks. Imagine you got 10 points only. Actually, that's a strong short. And a 1 minute fair value gap continuation. That's actually a good short. Right?
So do you want me to open his shirt?
I would take that if I'm on eval.
If he was in the eval?
Order filled.
I am in the eval, let's see. Let's see how it goes.
It's a very good short.
Target this. Alright, I'm in the short. Let's see how it goes.
I mean, if that fails, then you might as well just get off. But that's something I would take in real time if I was executing that trade. Might have to do 15 though.
How the fuck I can close the trades? Exit market, okay.
You're in on your first trade? Nice. Probably a bit of a force, but it's a good trade. It's pretty weak right now, though. You need it to really shoot down. I think it will. I think it will want to shoot down. But if I was trading in real time, this is something that I would be doing. Even if you just grab 10 points, you know, you're still going to have a profitable day. When can I start blaming you if something goes wrong? Never. I've given many warnings.
Got it.
Many warnings. But you should be able to get 10 off this. Like I said, like I've mentioned, this is a trade that I would take in real. This is the only one I've called out as in like this would be something I'd be executing.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? The only one that I've been adamant on. It's a very fucking good trade.
Order filled.
And that's it. That's a 21 point. That's where I'd get out. Confused. Why is it a good trade since it's already delivered from the gap? Because it's still a gap that's getting respected and delivered from.
Fuck, that was
And
20
that would be the
points.
trade that I would close out the day. I'd be done.
I guess. Fuck.
But yeah, that was literally the only trade that I felt very confident in calling out or being adamant about. I still didn't even take it on my TPTs. You took 10 points. It's good. Yeah, 10 points is good. I probably would have looked to maybe have managed the trade a little better.
Mm-hmm.
Like run it something like this, 15-point stop up here. Like you can take 10 points. That's good. But the moment it hit 10 points, it literally that candle hit 21. So it's like, oh, your entry was a little late. Yeah, that's probably gonna not help. But yeah, now you should really want to see this buy side now.
Mm-hmm. So, $200, pretty nice.
Why not a funded trade? It's not a funded day. See you, Anton. But yeah.
Alright, broski. I gotta run.
Take care.
I'll see you tomorrow. Let me know.
Yeah, done. Text you in the morning.
Yeah, done.
Come early.
Yeah, done. Of course.
All right, done. I'll be up at 8 anyway, or 9.
Yeah, I guess my entry was a little
I've got
late.
to, so,
From
yeah,
here to
message
here.
me when you wake up.
Wake the fuck up.
That was
Yeah,
15.
message me. Wake the fuck up. Shade up. All right.
All right, done. Talk soon.
I'll be waiting for your message. I'm there. I'm telling you now. If I don't see you, wake the fuck up. I'm not coming.
All right, bet.
Alright, later, broski.
Now
Later,
it wants
take
to
care.
go up.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually,
Later, boys.
long looks nice.
There's another eval long right here. Now they're all coming. Look at this. Now they're all coming here. What's going on?
Wow. It's
What's
kinda...
this? Oh, it's actually a low probability one.
Yeah, like, I don't like this, actually.
What the fuck? Why did it close on my shit over here on the left, but it didn't close here? Whoa, what's going on? It closed on my trade event, but it didn't close my trading view. Nah, don't take that as dodgy. What the fuck? What do I believe? What do I believe? I don't know what to believe. I believe trade event. This is dodgy, bro. We'll watch trade event. We'll believe trade event or trading view. I don't know. This is dodgy, but the longs are solid. The longs are solid. I'm telling you, we got volume now. We just need price to go up in your favor. If it goes down, then it's trading view. It didn't close on your trade event? I'm getting trolled. My shit closed at 45.75. So 24545.75. That's where mine closed. What is this? Oh, what are the days for fund accounts? Oh, it's just this week with seeds, Wednesday and Thursday, and potentially Friday as well.
Wednesday,
Those are going to be
Thursday,
your
Friday.
best days to trade. Or like what I'm waiting for. Well, if I did 15 points on the day, should I hop off and not just get 15? The 20 points is the 20 points more should be treated as like a ballpark estimate for what you should be looking to achieve. But yeah. Nah, I'd rather trade Fridays than Mondays. But I'm very, very confident that this will run straight to this buy side. I'm trusting TradeAbate here. Don't let me down, TradeAbate. What's your thoughts on the market tomorrow? Market tomorrow is going to be beautiful. It's when I'm trading my main accounts. If it fails, I'm happy. I'm happy with that because these last 2 days, to be fair, last 2 days haven't been that bad. Just been slow. I've always had a rule though. I would never trade a Monday, Tuesday on an FOMC because FOMC is always on a Wednesday. I just always had that rule. It's on a specific week, 1 week of the month. But yeah, no, this is a very good long. This would also be something I'd take in real time. And I wouldn't believe any downside pressure unless it hits your fucking stop loss. Unless it hits that buy side, then you're good. Would I take this? Yeah, the last 2 trades I would take if it would say the sell and this buy. Although this buy on TradingView is something I wouldn't take, but the buy on TradeAbate is something I would take. Where it closed through the swing high. It already mitigated this gap on right there. It's only going to have some sort of type of reaction that it's happening right now, just because we've taken out liquidity, but we ended up getting the close above this anyway, which is a pretty good sign. But it hit. I mean, it's got about 14 points in the profit. The way that I would manage this trade if I was going for this trade was that I'd actually hold 30. I'd do something like this. So I'd go 15, 15. Wait, let me just make sure. Yeah, I'd probably go like 15, 15, right? And then when price gets about halfway into profit, which it quite hasn't, is where I'd go break even or manage to trade of some sort. Although in this case, I don't really want to target 30 because 30 seems like it's in the middle of nowhere. So
Devlin literally said we will go up and then we will manipulate lower.
Could brand it up. Targeting like what, 20 for say. And then you can go 10 halfway. But either way, halfway of your position is always up. Now, if this fails, then we trust TradingView and not TradeAbate. But that is a very, very weird scenario that it closed on my TradeAbate. But I still believe in the long. Just saying. Like, I don't think this is going to fail. In fact, that's the fucking reaction you'd want to see. So would you have adjusted your stop then based on the FEG? Yeah. Like, I don't care if this fails, but this would be something I'd take in real time and hold. Unless it wasn't in... Oh, is that 10.15? So technically you'd enter on 10.15, which is outside the macro by 30 seconds. Look. Whatever your rules say. Whatever the rules say, right? But buy side here, it's got to get smacked. Should you wait for the 10:45? Nah.
Still, this is sideways, man. But it's higher highs, higher lows. It's pretty good trade was. But I guess, I don't know. I should be break even at that trade, yeah, after 10 points. But anyway. Nice trade, it's nice trade.
I called up I called Bill Gates earlier, and he said to take the 10:15 a.m. trade on TradeAway and not TradingView. He said that he's dropping so much money, it's actually going to manipulate the trade. So I was like, all right, sorry, bro. I don't know what you mean, but now I know what he means. That's why you always trust the billionaires. You talk with okay. He talks with Elon Musk. You know, fun fact about Elon Musk. I'm richer than him. No, I'm joking. But I'm pretty confident this hits longs. You spoke to Ronaldo? Messi actually called me up and said this is hitting this. And he said to put the wallet on. Like all Amexes, everything. And he said if this shorts, right? If this shorts, this. I couldn't even get it out. If I was to play a sport, what sport do you think I would play?
Let me see.
Yeah, no. Basketball's right. Height and weight stats. Damn. Put me on blast. By the way, I'm staying here until we hit this buy side. As soon as we hit this buy side, I'm out of here. We just got to make sure that ES didn't have to take this buy side. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
ES hit this. Why did ES create a 15-minute gap there? Did it do that, and why? I still trust Messi. He actually spoke to me on the phone and told me. He did say close half, and I would have got stop break even, but I decided to hold him. Yeah. But who decided it would be a good idea to put a 15-minute fair value on ES? I think that was quite rude. Because we spent so long. We spent so long going up here for price to spend maybe hang on. 1, 2. So what was that like? Yeah, 1 minute, 2 minutes. It spent 3 minutes going up just to go about 2 minutes going down. And then it spent another almost 4 minutes going up just for like another minute and a half to go down. LeBron. If this hits the stop, by the way, at 15, which, by the way, is not the model, just for everyone that's aware.
Yes, shirts.
The model actually won already, which I can explain for those on here that are probably confused. But I just wanted to see if it hit this buy side. We need a show of hands here. Who actually knows how to trade a 1-to-1? Like, what is the pure definition of a 1-to-1? Does anyone know? If anyone can write me the true definition, excluding mentorship students. We'll get it right. High win rate, low points, equals... Oh! Well, that was quick. Sergio, you actually got it right. But I need more definition, though.
Let's go,
I need
sir.
more definition. You're right, but I need more. Distance points, equal risk to profit. Essentially, what I'm looking for is whatever you risk is what you make. All right? Now, you can do it based on mechanical movements. So if I'm risking 15 points here, which is the safest option, right here, 15 points is underneath the gap, you are going to target 15 points as a 1-to-1. That is the actual way to do 1-to-1 risk. You heard the dog? The dog just did a little shake. He's going to bed right now. 50 point stop loss and a 50 point TP. Exactly right. So whatever you risk on a trade is what you have to target. So if you were to take this short, for an example, right here, right? The one that indicator call, bang. Textbook setup didn't sweep anything, obviously, because the indicators did it. Right? Now, I don't like to do any of the 4.5, 4.75. I hate doing that shit because I just can't calculate risk. So it's just 10, 15, 20. I like to do it 5-point increments. So a 5-point increment here would be 15 points. That'd be nice and safe. It's above the gap. It's at a pretty high point. You know, if we were to obviously disrespect this gap in this instance, then my trade would, you know, fail. So if I'm risking 15, whether I have a target of 20, 30, 40 or not, it has to be 15, 15 no matter what. And then that's the 1-to-1. If you decide to go 20, then that's your own discretion to go 20, but you need 20, you know, you just need 15. So you just have to make sure you're targeting what you're risking. And that's true 1-to-1 and how to actually have a high win rate. By always doing a 20 and 20, you'll never win, is what I'm trying to say. A 20-20 is a good foundation to spot entries, right? And it's just with different market conditions, you know what I mean? We know how market conditions alter. You know, we're going to have high volume days where there's going to be 40.30-second candles, or there's going to be days where, like these two, Monday, Tuesday, where volume's really little, feels like 10 points is really the only goal or the only option to actually have that instance, you know? So this PA is not shit. It's just slow. There's nothing wrong with this. There's nothing wrong with this. This is great PA, but it's just slow. So for someone that likes quicker movements, you know, this might piss you off. It might make you mad. But that's not the point of scalping. Scalping 1-to-1s is targeting whatever you risk. And you're never going to know your target unless you define your risk, right? You define your risk by your stop loss placements, which your stop loss placements are based on mechanical positions, which I've already collected data for you guys. That's why I do what I do. I make what I make, and I trade how I trade. Is because there's certain stop loss positions based on this model that you can actually.
I should go to my friend because he told me about some bullshit. What the fuck? Look at this target profit, 6.6. Like what? I guess he said this one. 666. Hello. What do you mean by your target profit? You mean the previous low, like, don't fucking get it. Like this? I hear you, bro.
Don't close. Don't close.
Yeah, I mean about target profit.
Yeah, we are targeting the PM lows, the 2:30 PM lows. Don't close. I'm looking for targets in the delay that I think is not the same. That's why I told you that. I thought I looking at those lows. I thought
I mean, you said me target profit
yeah.
605, but 605 it,
Yeah, you know, I'm looking at a different field. We are not in the same
Mhm.
the same what? The same so just hold to that low.
I send you the
Okay?
screenshot. This low?
Let me see. Yeah, that one.
Okay.
We are holding to that low.
Got it. Got it. Holding to that low.
You can add another contract.
Third one, right now?
Another contract.
Order filled.
Okay, I added another
Just
contract.
add one. Okay, nice. Let's see. We have buy side. It's going to go to the fair value gap.
Mm-hmm.
See the fair value?
Yeah, yeah. See.
Yeah, not go up.
5 minutes.
It's going up there first. We have inverted the value gap. We have a volume imbalance lower. Yeah, then now to the fair value gap.
But we don't wanna go up. We don't wanna go up.
Yeah, but you sweep the high. Those small highs, it must sweep them. Don't move your stop loss, just put it there.
Buying fucking fires or shall Looks pretty bad. Here is the second fair value gap. We tap to the second fair value gap in the 1 minute.
We have the new week opening gap higher.
Oh, they
Down. Has rejected the fair value gap.
Mm-hmm. Second one. Nice rejection. Let's go down, let's go. Pushing good.
But that bullshit, it was a bullshit because I want to go short there. We had these. I told you it's going to the two fair value gap.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
See, now it's going lower. It was. I told you we have the new week opening gap.
Mm-hmm. So you're
So
genius,
we want
right?
to see that candle close. We want to see that candle close lower.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, we want to see that candle. We don't want it to come back here. There. Okay. We have manipulated those highs. Oh, bro. Yeah. So we want to see it go lower. And there we don't want it to come back then high. Oh, it's ranging. I don't like it. Ranging now. We should go lower first. I don't want to see it range like that in one place. Then, oh, look at Nasdaq is going lower than ES, and ES was the leading one.
Mm-hmm.
Going lower. Oh, we're not range.
I fucking got him in at the wrong time. My timing was so poor today. But we're good. What time is it? 7:40. It's all time. It's good. Hmm.
Uh,
Who is that?
I don't like what it's doing.
Yeah.
I want it to go lower, not like that. I don't want to range. I don't want it to range there for so long.
Yeah, me too.
Candles. I don't like it. Look at the 5-minute candle. Almost 3 candles just ranging there.
Like usually, huh?
Let's see if it will take that. We enter it doesn't. But it's going low. I think it's going to take the lows. The PM lows. He's going to take them. We have two equal lows. Even the 9:15 a.m. lows, he's going to take them.
I like that you're short.
Yeah. We have those are equal lows.
Mm-hmm.
Those equal lows. Yeah. And since I was watching Nasdaq since like six. I took some trades. I took some trades in my demo. I was just to see if I can in person in one day. And I did like 3,000, like
Well
4,000,
done. Well done.
I think. Let's see. But I don't reason for it to higher. We have 15-minute fair value gap at 9:30. That can be the reason for us to go higher, but I don't think we have rejected an order block. Fair value gap we have rejected like 9:50 a.m. fair value gap. I don't see the reason it will go higher again.
Mm-hmm.
It goes down like that.
Can you be a market maker and just push the price down, please? I know you can do it. I know. You see? You see? I ask you, and now you're doing this. Ah, that's a juicy position.
See how it closes there. How the 1 minute closes.
I know you can manipulate the market. Just push this down. That's all that you need to do, brother. Okay.
Just
What way?
using my skill, bro.
I believe in your skill in 100%.
Using
Sure.
my.
Okay. Got it.
But
Money, money, money.
I'm going to take this.
Must be
I'm
funny
going to take this one.
in the rich man's world. Money, money. Must be funny in the rich man's world. The fuck is this? Du-du-dum.
Oh, what a I don't like that rejection. Let me look at something. Alright. Okay. Okay. Still at a premium price. We are good. We are good. We are good. We are going for those for sure. Still at premium.
Damn. Don't like the scandal. Should I go to break even?
Going to.
What do you think? Should I go to break even or not yet?
Okay, go to break even. We have a inverse. We have a liquidity void. Just go to break even for safety. But I think it's going to stop you out. Just go to break even for safety. Because it's ranging so much. Yeah, nice. Suppose go down and you're doing this.
Order filled.
Yeah, it's break even. Damn, that was $400. I fucking
Okay.
hate this shit.
Yeah, now it's going to go lower. Now
Yeah,
it's going to go lower.
yeah, like usually. I should go on my fucking job. Damn, why it's always happen when I need to go on the job? It's fucking insane. Do you want me to
Okay.
re-enter?
Well, no, don't re-enter. That's not the price I'm looking for, bro. I don't like it. You know, yeah, going to my macro. It's doing this.
Damn, $400. Fucking shit. Mm.
That's nothing. Get some more money, more money, money. They're coming.
Yeah,
Break out the order.
1 sec.
Every time you short, bro, I swear to God, every time I'm in a long, you in a short. But I think short's good now. It's in the fiddle again.
Oh, what the fuck was that?
Bro.
That's interesting.
How do I...
Okay, that was not good. What the fuck? I'm like editing a video.
Alright, we are not entering right now? Nothing, right?
Yeah, I'm just gonna give you the signals.
Okay.
Just be on your phone. Don't.
Alright, sure.
Yeah.
Alright, got it. Alright, so yeah, see you later. I am in the phone. Now I'll explain you what happened next. I was on my job, I'm working as a dealer, so I have opportunity to open the trades while I'm working, because the business is slow and I can use my computer. So, here that was trade before I was driving on my car to the job, everything was good, and we lost $400 because that was break even. After break even, the price just lied to the moon, and then boom, goes straight to the TP or almost. Yeah, even like, look at this fucking movement. Of course, in these situations, it's always frustrating. Plus, I was driving on my job, so you can see the screenshot from my phone, which is really dangerous. I'm not recommend you anything like this. Driving a car and watching on the charts, like, bro. Anyway, for those who didn't know, we lost at least 5 trades, beautiful trades, while I was driving on my fucking job. After these 5 trades, I just realized that I can check my trades with my phone, check the graphic and open the trade with the signals. Then next signal was after 1 hour, that was short on the Nasdaq again. Then Delvin said at 12:10 close. It's 1 hour different, which means it's already was 12:05, which means I should be in this position for 5 minutes. I guess he just didn't see the time, or I don't know. I was like, close the position after 3 minutes. He said yes. Then we wasn't on the break even, so he said, wait a second, like weight is going against us. We will hold. That was $90, and then we had already minus $225, and he said close. Then he said in Q short. I was on my phone. I was like, all right, short. And then he told me wait. I was like, bro, I'm already in the position. So I told him like what I need to do. I asked him. He said hold and then close at the same time. I'm just telling you all this information not because I want to blame Delvin. No, I'm just telling you that signals, it's not something that you can be profitable with. At least if it's signal with the text messages, bro, you're cooked. In my case, I was in my job, so I cannot call to him, ask him a questions. That was straight through the text messages. And all day long, I'm just chatting with the Delvin and waiting for the signals. This signal was pretty funny one. Longs. What longs? Who knows? I was like, right now, because longs, it's not open long position, it's longs. Like, what does it mean? He said NQ, yes, after 1 minute. So look at my entry, the highest point of the price. We already had movement, so stop to break even. And I was already at break even. He said, wait, okay, close. I like, wait, okay. But that was a question, so should I close or not? But anyway. And here we go. Long NQ, 153. And I was on my job with the customer. It's only one good trade for the day. intraday that hits TP. Only one trade, and I was with the customer. I was really pissed off about this. I was like, I can't open my trade. Top step was lagging, or my internet was lagging, I don't know. Very frustrating day. All day long, you just open the signals, and only one trade that was perfect trade, I wasn't there. So I opened my trade a little bit after. As you can see here, the top step didn't work for me. Here was our zone of entry, and here he told me to buy. So all this movement, I mean, it's like 15 points, 20 points, whatever. And even with this situation, I had plus $300, which means over here that was plus $600. It is what it is. We closed this position, and we was with $18 for the day. And here where is everything was falling apart. Will be better days in the future, find better days. I was like, but after 15 minutes we will be in the macro zone. Usually Delvin 15 minutes before market closed was looking for setups because it's usually huge movements. And then he said if you will see some setups, yes, no problems. Very ironic message over here. Okay, by the next week we will pass it. Don't worry, I got you. Yes, short. And here we go. We opened our short position with the two contracts. On the ES, it's like one contract on the Nasdaq plus minus. I was a little bit on the drawdown. I asked him, should I add one contract? Because usually Delvin told me that if the position pretty nice, we can add one more contract on the ES. Compared to the Nasdaq, it will be like 1.5 contracts. He said yes. So I add one contract. And here we go. Look at this fucking candle. What the fuck is this? You can't blame anything. You can't blame nobody here because it's bullshit. Like how you can predict this shit? We didn't sweep any liquidity from here. I was like, is this a joke? Then we started reversing. He said chill. Boom, another candle. And here we go. Move stop loss higher. It's the first time when Delvin told me to move my stop loss. For those who didn't know, Delvin, it's a guy who has pretty bad situation in his country. He can't fucking buy account in the top step or any prop firms. Plus he has a lot of like troubles with the internet, with everything at the same fucking time. So he was trading a half of a year on the demo account and he was profitable. But demo account and real account is completely different things. Even evaluation account, it's not express account, it's not funded account, but you still have FOMO a lot more than in the demo account. I think you understand what I'm talking about. So he said move stop loss higher. I was like probably until this swing point, because if I will move my stop loss here it will be minus $1,000, it will be like GG. But still $837, that's a huge stop loss with the 3 contracts. And I asked him like this? Yes. Okay, boom. I said we cooked. He said close, we're already over here, and I decided that I won't close over here. Maybe we will reverse because it's a zone of fair value gap. But literally after 20 seconds, we just hit the stop loss. Boom, minus $827. Then he said NQ longs, and here we fucking go. NQ longs, 2 contracts, 3 contracts on the NQ. Usually we trade it only with 1 contract. In very rare situation we add another contract on the NQ, because 2 contracts on the NQ it's something around 4 contracts on the ES. So 3 contracts on the NQ it's like 6 contracts on the ES. For the 50k account it's fucking insane. But Delvin didn't know about rules on the prop firms. He thought that we earned already $600, which means our drawdown $2,600, but it's not true. Your drawdown always $2,000 until you will pass this mark. If you will have like $52,500, yes, your drawdown $2,500. So he didn't know about this, which is unfortunate. Anyway, that was our trade. I opened my trade over here, and in the 1 second we had 50 points movement, and that wasn't news. That was just micros. In my time in Houston, it's like the same time with the Chicago. We almost closed the market. Market closed at 3 p.m. So we had this candle, and look next, perfect $435. And what we decided to do, let it hit TP, no problem, that's alright. But he didn't say about break even. That's pretty unfortunate. So the price started reversing, and we already had minus $90. Boom. Our $435 turns out minus $600. My stop loss, I didn't even know when I need to put my stop loss with the 3 full contracts. If I will put my stop loss over here, it will be minus $1,000, it will be liquidation. So which means with the 3 contracts, when you have movement 50 points within 1 second, like literally that was 1 second. I don't know what the fuck is this, but anyway, you just can't put your stop loss in the good position just because you will be stopped out like this. So that was absolutely huge huge risky trade that should be with break even after this movement. But we just closed this trade with 540. And he didn't pay attention about these numbers. Fuck it, man. That's what happened if we will force the trades. He literally told me like a couple of days before that we won't force the trades because I am fucking emotional guy. I'm not trying to blame anybody, but I will be like, wow, bro, what the fuck was this with this trade and blah 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 blah. So I really hate this part of me, but it is what it is. And I'm always negative about this. So he told me like we won't force the trades and everything will be fine. But after this message, I was like, dude, okay, long it one more time, chill. I open my long, close, 57, 57. Okay, like it's really frustrating. Like we already opened like 15 trades for the day with the 3 contracts at the end of the day. Like what the fuck, over trade, over risk. Then boom, I closed this trade with minus $100, right? Yeah, minus 100. And I was like, no, don't do anything stupid, bro. Short it. Yeah, then that was short. Look at this short. TP higher. TP higher. Where? Like TP higher. Where? Anyway, like we're risking with $500. TP like 200. Anyway, I was like stop loss hit and boom. Account blown. You are just entering. Wait for a retracement. What? Bro, don't enter if it's already moved. So he thought at this moment I will not show you all the text messages because I really was pissed off and Delvin was really upset that he blew my account, that he blew our account. To cut long story short, he thought that we had $600 in our account. He didn't know that we already blew account. He told me over here that I should wait until retracement, but here is the thing. All our trades, it's always was a trade that already had some move to the upper side, to the downside, wherever. Here's was our short. We already had big as fuck red candle and we opened our short, which means we usually open our position when we already had some movement. But very often situation that our trades looks like this. Like the highest point of the price, almost, we are on the middle of nowhere and we open our position. And then we close this position after a couple of minutes. Boom, we hit our stop loss or we just close this position with minus $300 from the highest point of the price. So, in that case, you can just wait. And here is the whole point of the signals. If somebody gives you a signal, you should entry. Because if I will wait and then we will hit our TP, what you will say to me? Like, bro, you should be in the position because it's whole the point of the signals or what, right? But it's okay. I mean, we was emotionally at this moment, I was emotional, probably he was emotional, and at the end of the day, he was really fucking upset. He was really fucking upset. And right now, I really feel fucking bad. Like, really. There was like these messages. I supported this guy. I told him that, let me think about it. He was like, I'm sorry, I just blew your account and I don't want to continue this. I mean, he wanted to continue this, but I was really mad on all the stuff. And at the end of the day, I told him that, alright, I can give you the last chance with the new account because I need really money for the movement because I will move to the different state and I really need this money. I cannot blow this money. I was thinking about to practice on my demo account until I will become a profitable. So yes, there was a lot of like these messages. I started to support him really well because I really feel so fucking sorry. I really oh, damn, bro. I'm that kind of person who will start really emotionally after something happened, and then I will blame myself for these emotions. Plus, I really feel sorry when I can't help to somebody. Like, I have no, I have not $1,000. I can't do anything. I can only go through the signals from this guy, and he understands this. Delvin really, the Devlin understand that with the signals it's really fucking hard. Like look at this message, bro. It's just turns my fucking heart. Like for real. I was I was so upset because of this situation. I really wanted to cry after this because I really like what can I say? What can I do? I really wants to help this guy, but I just can't. The signals doesn't work in this situation when you texting the messages, unfortunately. I was thinking about to give him my account in the top step. I was like, fuck my credit card, fuck my debit card, I don't care. If he will steal all my fucking money, alright. I trust this guy with my money, alright. If you will betray me, it is what it is. But I at least try to help you. but in their top step rules, you cannot give your account to anybody. And in the all prop firms, they have this rule. So it does make sense. Even if he will make $2,000, $3,000, we cannot withdraw this money because of these rules. So at the end of the day, I told him, all right, I will give you the last chance. If we will blue account, it is what it is, but maybe in the future I will help you with the money that I will earn from the trading, but not right now because I have no money. I am broke, I am poor. So yes, it's really sad situation when you're trying to help to somebody, but you just can't. Really fucking sad situation. And I spoke with the guys about this situation, and they told me that one prop firm can give access to the guys, to the people from Kenya. It's the country where is Delvin from. I texted Delvin about this, and I told him that I can give you money, and you will go and buy your new account in the new prop firm, and you will be trading by yourself. For those who didn't know, I bought the internet for Devlin, and I wanna buy him a account, new account that he will trade in by himself. Plus, I already bought one or two accounts that we already blew. So yeah, I'm really trying. I'm really trying, but unfortunately, I'm not Mr. Beast. I have no money, and I really sometimes I feel like a fucking really bad person. If I'm like I wanna help to this guy, and at the same time, I'm so fucking emotional that I just can hurt somebody like with my emotions, unfortunately. Maybe that's the reason why my ex-girlfriend left me. I don't know. Maybe that's the reason why she broke up with me. But yes, I lost so many people in my life because of my emotions, and it's fucking sad. But at the same time, I found a lot of people because of my emotions. So it's like it's hard. And because of my emotions, I have you guys, I have subscribers. But yeah, in these moments when you hurt somebody that really trying, that's fucking it's insane. The Devlin is the perfect example of the guy who, without any fucking excuses, trying to push forward. He put all efforts on this. He has no friends that supports him with the trading. In his country, absolutely everything's so fucking tough that is just insane. 1 week I tried to send him the money. He has problems with the verification because he has the problems with the documents in his country. He has the problems with the fucking job in his country. He has problems with everything. I never heard any situation about. I never heard any situations like this. And this guy, he's still pushing forward. Can you fucking imagine this situation? Like, do you understand what I feel right now inside? I see this guy that one of the million. A lot of people will fucking give up on his fucking place. But he's trying. He's really fucking trying. And that's the reason why I'm trying to help him. Yeah. Sorry guys, it's like a long video, but I don't know. I don't know what to do with the Devlin. But yeah. He'd take a break for 2 days or 3 days. He told me that he will come back at Monday, and I feel really fucking bad, and I feel really so fucking bad. I'm really sorry, Devlin, if you're watching this video, but yeah, sometimes I'm fucking dickhead. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you wanna support my channel, you can go on our free Discord channel if you want. And if you want to start trading with the daily payouts, you can open my description. There will be a link on the Take Profit Trader. With the code MORE, you will have 40% discount plus no activation fees for your account, and you're good to go. It will be best support for my channel because I will have a commission from this. You will have a discount, win-win situation. So yes, thank you for watching this video, guys. See you in the next episode.